Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to etch glass with Cricut and a glass etching cream. To get started, the first thing I did earlier was to create the project in Design Space, then use the Cricut to cut out the design on a permanent adhesive vinyl. So now I'm just weeding out the stencil. So whenever you are weeding stencil, you have to weed in reverse. So normally I would usually weed out the vinyl around the design, but now I'm weeding out the letters to create the stencil for the words. Now that I'm finished weeding, I'm going to use this transfer tape to transfer the words to the two wine glasses. Before doing the transfer, I'm just cleaning the surface of the glass with some alcohol. Because the glass is curved, I'm making some small cuts around the end of the vinyl so as to help the vinyl to lay flat on the surface. I'm pressing down the vinyl flat on the surface to take out all the bubbles and all the creases because I don't want the etching cream to go underneath the letters. Now I'm removing the transfer tape. I'm adding some masking tape around the stencil to protect the other parts of the glass from the etching cream. I'll be using this Armor Etch glass etching cream I'm just shaking up the butter to mix it up real good. Then I'm going to use a small paintbrush to apply it on the surface. I'm using a generous amount and I'm just dabbing it on the surface. And guys, remember to use a pair of gloves to protect your hands from the chemicals. Now I'm going to leave it for 15 minutes to sit, after which I'll just scrape off the excess and put it back in the jar. Rinse off the cream properly, then remove the vinyl. The vinyl will be easily removed because it is not cured as yet. So guys, this is how it turned out. It's so beautiful, but you won't be able to see the real beauty on camera because this is the way our etching looks. However, I'm just gonna add some wine in the glass to give you a better view. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed today's episode, help me out by hitting that like button. And also, if you're new around here, you may want to consider hitting that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next one.